Here are the sound signal rules to be followed by vessels in restricted visibility. A power-driven vessel underway must sound one prolonged blast every 2 minutes. A power-driven vessel underway but stopped and making no way through the water must sound 2 prolonged blasts every 2 minutes with an interval of about 2 seconds between them. A vessel not under command, a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, whether underway or at anchor, a vessel constrained by her draft, a sailing vessel, a vessel engaged in fishing, whether underway or at anchor, or a vessel engaged in towing or pushing another vessel, must sound one prolonged blast plus 2 short blasts every 2 minutes. A vessel at anchor must ring the bell rapidly for 5 seconds every 1 minute. A vessel at anchor of 100 meters or more in length is required to ring the bell rapidly for 5 seconds every 1 minute and immediately after the ringing of the bell to sound the gong for 5 seconds in the aft part of the vessel.